video from this morning, guys, but I could not find my tripod. But I'm in Montego Bay now. I have the pump right there and the injectors. I am taking it to the repair shop to get it checked, to see if I can figure out why we are not getting enough pressure on the pump. So I'm heading into the city now, guys. So for those of you who know Montego Bay, I'm on the top road. This is like a bypass to the tourist area down there. Yes, guys, so one spotter is here heading out, get the pump service and see if we can take it back to Sandy. And I want to make a video for you guys to see, but this morning, guys, I was so busy all about. I did not get to show you when I was prepping the pump, like get it clean, went to get some petrol to wash it off and stuff. But nevertheless, guys, I am on the road. Heading out. Guys, the Montego Bay, the second city in Jamaica. So I'm heading down Top Road now, guys. So a little bit of traffic start here. But I will keep you guys posted. There's a beautiful view on my right, guys, but because the car is so low, I can't get to show you guys where you can overlook the city of Montego Bay. Wow, here's an opening. Let us see if we can get a view here. Wow. Trying to view the city, a part of the city, and the sea, the beach, everything, guys. Let you guys see the view. I'm gonna give you a couple more seconds to this video here. We're just gonna end it right here, but let me just take you guys down and show you what is happening here now. Yes, guys, so I'm going on the Howard Boulevard, but this is Jimmy Kidd Boulevard right here. Let me go around here. Yeah. Yes, guys. So that is Harmony Park over there. If you want to come in the city and chill out, relax. And over here to the left is Town Center. So you go to the left for the Town Center. To the right for the hip strip, straight ahead towards the newer part of Montego Bay, out to Bogan, all those areas. Over here is KFC, famous KFC in Montego Bay. Harmony Park. Here is a new Chinese shopping center that was built here in Jamaica. I haven't been over there as yet. New City Express restaurant. Yes, guys. Just enjoy yourself in Jamaica. So that is it from one spot until the guys are going to make some phone calls and then I'll get back to you.